Delhi continues to reel under the grip of the coronavirus. Numbers fluctuating between 6 to 8,000. And the most worrying part is that more than 100 deaths are being reported almost every single day. At least in the last 3 days, we have seen more than 100 deaths which have been reported every single day. There was a mad scramble for the ICU beds. The Supreme Court has come down heavily on the government of Delhi, other states as well. But where do we stand as far as the national capital is concerned? What steps have been taken? Take a look at this report.
An unrelenting surge in coronavirus cases haunts the national capital. A rising caseload isn't the only concern for Delhi. Increasing COVID deaths is another major cause of worry. Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain blamed stubble burning coupled with COVID-19 as the reason behind rising toll in the city.
दिल्ली में जो पीछे पराली जलाने की वजह से बहुत पॉल्यूशन हुआ था, उसका कोविड के ऊपर बहुत ही नेगेटिव असर पड़ा था. जिनको कोविड था उसमें काफ़ी लोग धुएं की वजह से काफ़ी सीरियस हुए और उसकी डेथें बढ़ी.
सितंबर कर दूं.
Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, chalking out the way ahead, said only more tests can help the capital.
हमें लगता है कि जैसे टेस्ट वगैरह थे, टेस्ट की संख्या जो है वो जिस तरह से बढ़नी चाहिए थी, उसमें भी जो RT-PCR का टेस्ट ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. अभी हमने दोबारा से मीटिंग करके अभी देखिए RT-PCR की जो कैपेसिटी थी हमने डबल कर दी. टेस्ट जो है वो डबल करने के लिए जो है कहा गया.
The Delhi government closed down a few markets that were found flouting social distancing norms, only to withdraw its order later and issued a warning instead. The warning, however, doesn't seem to have worked. Crowds gathered as soon as the markets were unsealed. The Supreme Court, meanwhile, has pulled up the Delhi government over the COVID crisis, which is worsening by the day. As Delhi battles its worst health crisis, the onus also lies on the citizens to maintain utmost safety. This is a war which can't be won without citizen participation. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right. Let me now, in fact, in this very precise manner, tell you what the government of Delhi is doing, because in the last few days they have come under heavy, in fact, criticism by the High Court and the Supreme Court as well. Now, just take a look at the steps which have been taken by the government of Delhi. So there have been administrative and political steps. The first step was curbing the number of the people from 200 in the weddings and other, functions to 50. It was brought down to 50. 2,000 rupee fine for not wearing mask, which has just been notified, on Friday. Hotspot markets face closure. In fact, a hotspot market in Nangloi was closed yesterday, and only after assurances and people, those who were not adhering to the COVID protocols and rules, the market was reopened. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time when there is a responsibility on us as well, and this is also the time when, apart from the government, which of course needs to massively ramp up not only the existing infrastructure but make sure that we are able to stop the spread of the coronavirus, the responsibility is also on us. Don't let your guard down. It is going to cause, and I'm repeating it, at the cost of repeating it, very, very costly.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.